I'm Brent Fleming, owner and dentist at Richardson Dentistry. I was born and raised in Florida. Born in Orlando, lived in Melbourne most of my life, so that's the East Coast, kind of where they shoot the rockets off, or they used to. Kennedy Space Center's closed now, but lived there until I was into high school, and then I moved to Miami for college. Went to University of Miami for 4 years, and then I went to dental school at University of Maryland in Baltimore, and that's actually where I got my dental degree. Met my wife, who's an orthodontist, and we moved to Dallas after graduating for her residency and my residency as well. So we both ended up at Baylor. My wife was there for 3 years in ortho, and I was there for a 1-year advanced general dentistry residency. So only practiced in one office. I've only ever worked here. Came here right out of my residency, worked with the 2 previous doctors for 6 months, and then we purchased the practice in January of 2012. So we're on almost 4 years and change now. So it's been great. Yeah. My wife, Patty, we've been married for 5 years. We have two children. My son, Harrison's almost 3. My daughter, Emery's a 1.5 years. My wife is a practicing orthodontist in Garland, so she's just down the road. Family's fun. Family's the most important thing for us. It is. You know, we love being here and being in the practice, but I also love going home and having my kids run up to me and give me a big hug at the end of the day. So. My philosophy of care is to do for you what I would do for myself, and I always tell patients that, if I need something and I don't feel like I'm the right person to deliver it, I have specialists that I work with all the time that I trust. If that's where you need to go to get the optimal care, that's what we'll do. And so that's the biggest thing. I just want everybody to have something that lasts a long time. We have to figure out what you want and what you really desire, and then kind of work our plan around that. I think the other thing that's important at this practice, again, is we're going to take time with you. You're not going to rush in and out for your cleaning in 20 minutes. You're going to spend a full hour with my hygienist every single time you come in. You're going to get my time every single time you come in. So if you have, something that's really important to you, we're going to spend the time to talk about it. And if I can't do it that day, we're going to set aside time another day that we can really sit down and work through what your problems are and how to help you with them. My patients, the patients we have are amazing. A lot of the patients have actually been here since the 70s. And it's pretty cool. It's cool to see the the growth and maturation of patients from little kids until I've got some little guys who were 5 and 6 years old when I started, and now they're in, getting ready to go to junior high or pretty close to it. It's pretty cool. There are a lot of people who have been in Richardson for years and years, but we also have people that travel from all over who lived in Richardson and have moved away, and they come back still for their dental care. I got patients that come from all over Texas. It's good. It's a family. The patients, they're not just, we get to know them really well. Some people just want to come in and tell you about their day and tell you about their family, and so we're able to really connect because we see them more often than most people see their physicians. So, we see them at least twice a year, and we get to hear about all the cool things happening. So just we have a good time here. So it's a good place. Like most kids going into college, I said I'm going to be a doctor. I didn't know exactly what that meant, but I spent a lot of time when I was at University of Miami shadowing physicians and dentists, actually, because I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. And I really kind of got drawn to dentistry. Most of the dentists I worked with were business owners, which was great, and they were artistic, and they kind of loved what they did, being with their patients and seeing their patients grow from little kids to, to adults, and kind of having their patients become part of their family, and it kind of drew me into it. I love having staff members that have been here forever. They're my other family. I love the artistic portion of it. I love being able to help people. Love being able to give back. It's kind of fun. I like what I do a lot. Hi, I'm Dr. Fleming. We would love for you to come and join our family.